Hey garden friend, welcome back to Dirt Decoded, Smarter Soil, Better Gardens. I'm the soil doctor, and if your garden has been underperforming lately, your soil might be sending out a distress call. Maybe your plants look weak, your harvests are shrinking, or your compost just isn't cutting it. If that sounds familiar, your soil could be exhausted, depleted of nutrients, life, and structure. But don't worry. Today, I'm walking you through how to revive your tired soil using simple, effective methods that actually work. Let's bring your garden back to life. First up, stop digging, start feeding, put the shovel down. Constant tilling breaks up your soil structure and wipes out beneficial microbes. What your soil really needs now is rest and a good meal of nutrient-rich organic matter. Add a thick layer, about 2 to 3 inches of compost, aged manure, or even chopped leaves. This feeds the microbes and worms, who will do the heavy lifting for you. No digging needed, just mulch, and let nature take over. Second, plant a cover crop or ground layer. Exhausted soil is usually left bare, and bare ground leads to problems like erosion, dryness, and nutrient loss. If you're between crops, plant a quick cover crop, something like clover, buckwheat, or vetch. These fix nitrogen, shade the soil, and feed your underground ecosystem when you cut them down. If it's mid-season, try living mulch, nasturtiums, herbs, or low-growing greens between your rows. Covering your soil is like wrapping it in a protective blanket, helping it heal faster. Third, add the life back in. Good soil isn't just dirt, it's alive. And when your soil's exhausted, that usually means the microbes are missing. To kickstart the biology, add worm castings, compost tea, or diluted fish emulsion or seaweed extract. Even better, use a microbial inoculant if you have one. These reintroduce the helpers that break down organic matter and release nutrients to your plants. Fourth, rotate what you grow. Growing the same thing in the same spot drains certain nutrients and brings in pests. If tomatoes or greens have been in the same bed for more than 2 seasons, it's time to switch it up. Follow heavy feeders like tomatoes or corn with light feeders, think carrots or onions, or soil builders like beans or peas. Rotation keeps your soil balanced and less prone to disease. Fifth, water the right way. Tired soil can get compacted or dry out fast. Avoid watering overhead, which creates a crusty surface. Instead, water deeply and slowly, let the moisture reach the root zone. Then cover with mulch to lock that moisture in. Your microbes and plants both need steady hydration to thrive. Final thoughts. If your soil feels dry, compacted, or lifeless, don't panic. It just needs a little healing time. Feed it, cover it, water it with care, and most importantly, let it rest. With a few weeks of attention, your soil will wake up again. And when your soil comes back to life, so does everything you grow in it. If this helped you reconnect with your garden, give it a like and subscribe to Dirt Decoded. I'm the Soil Doctor, and I'll see you in the next one.